Working to live and living to work are two different things. There's one city that has a taste of London, New York, and Spain all together. The most shocking part is that even though this city is the most busiest and the most chaotic city in Spain, it is also the city that has the highest life expectancy. So join me as I share with you from my point of view, the most populous, the busiest, most chaotic, the capital, and the city with the highest life expectancy in Spain looks like. Vamos! I'm in Madrid, and this is the first time that I really feel like I'm in a city in Spain. Most of the places I've visited in Spain, people were very relaxed and chill, but in Madrid, it's different. One of the things I noticed on the street of Madrid is the diversity. People from different races and backgrounds walking towards the same direction. For the first time anywhere in Spain that I've visited, this was the first place I felt free holding my phone, taking pictures and making videos. Really, I've not been asked by anyone to stop making videos before, but I get a lot of upward stares, like, hey, what are you doing? Like those Spanish aunties drinking beer on the street, but also think they deserve privacy. Madrid is beautiful, but almost everybody you see is a content creator. You see everybody with their phone grabbing pictures and videos and everything. This is amazing. I've heard a lot of people in Spain saying they don't like Madrid because there are a lot of people and it's very busy. But this is the first place I felt really alive. Like the energy, the movement, the people. I just felt like, yeah, this is my place. Puerta del Sol is very beautiful. I met loads of people here making videos and taking pictures of the sun setting from this spot. Let me show you what it looks like. Leave your opinion in the comment section what you think about the view from Puerta del Sol. So moving on from the Puerta del Sol to the other side is Parque de Retiro. This park is very big and beautiful with loads of activities. So if you're planning to visit Madrid in the future, try to see this beautiful park. Plaza de San Miguel is beautiful both in the day and at night. Everything about Madrid is majestic and beautiful. A few minutes ago I was here and look at what it looks like now. Wow. At first my plan was to get a bike to move around the city. Because from my personal point of view, riding the bike is more efficient than getting on the bus in Spanish cities. But right from the moment I stepped out of my hostel, the idea of renting a bike left my mind and never returned. I was passing the night around Gran Via and everything I wanted to see started from the doorstep of my hostel. The view of Gran Via and Sol, both in the morning and night, looks very beautiful. But wait, have you subscribed to the channel? If you have not, what are you waiting for? Support the channel by clicking on that subscribe button down below. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's get back to the video. Welcome to Sol, one of the most busiest places in Madrid. As you can see, people are moving around. I don't know what they're doing, but I think they're having a good time. So right here is a free concert. Let's go see what's going on. Let's go. Creativity. So when you live in the city, this is one of the things that you see. People with a lot of ideas trying to make money. Sol is one of my favorite places in Madrid. You can feel that energy, especially during the summer when people spend more time outside because of the heat. It's like a center where creative people converge in the evening. On the street of Almighty Gran Via, I found this Primark that I've always seen on my Instagram reels. I decided to get inside to see what it looks like, and really, I was a bit confused. I've never seen a Primark store looking so clean, organized and classy. At some point, I started to look everywhere, hoping I would find some Calvin Klein or Levi shirt. I mean, look at this place. All Primark? Really? No. But yes, it's all Primark, and they've got nice things here. I felt like trolling myself for looking down on Primark, and I wanted to get myself a green shirt, but luckily for me, the cashier were closed and I wasn't able to pay for it. And just across the road to Primark is the popular Pestana CR7 hotel. I don't know if you know what that is, but that is the hotel of my favorite footballer. I tried to ask if the rooftop bar is still open to get a drink, and the sea experience. I found Cristiano Ronaldo hotel, and I decided to go inside. Maybe I can grab a drink at the terrace, and they told me it's also closed. I don't know what's going on with me today. Walking down the street of Gran Via disappointed, I decided to check the internet to see if there's any other rooftop bar around that can cool off for the evening, and guess what I found? The Sky Bar and Terrazza 360 degree. Located on the 27th floor of the Rio Hotel at Plaza España is this beautiful rooftop bar where you can get the amazing view of Madrid. It is said to be the highest in Madrid, and the entrance fee is €10. Unfortunately, I couldn't stay long because I was tired and I needed to get some rest. Second day in Madrid. Good morning, guys. I'm so tired from last night, I won't lie. This city is so big that you can barely finish it in a day. I don't think you can finish it in 2 days, because if you really want to see everything, you've got to plan it very well. Everything looks amazing, big, majestic. So this morning, I'm going on a walk to see the Real Palace, the Palace of Real, and the Temple of the Temple de Debod, to show you what it looks like actually. So let's go. This is Gran Via, the busiest street in Madrid, but in the morning it was empty. It's safe to say most people I saw last night were tourists. Early morning while I was walking to Temple de Debod to get the sunrise view, I saw this lady on the bike. I was very confused because she looked like she was going to walk straight from the club. What do you think, guys? Please leave your opinion in the comment section. Behind me there's the Temple de Debod, and right here there's the sun setting from Madrid. This is beautiful. Sorry, it was the view of the sun rising rather. The night before, I was so tired that I forgot my lines in the morning. So this is Temple de Debod, and the history of this temple is very interesting. So originally, this temple was built in Egypt in the 2nd century in a place called Aswan. So in the 1960s, the Egyptian government launched a campaign to save the monument of Nubia, which Spain participated. So this Temple de Debod, which was originally built in Egypt, was dismantled, transported and was rebuilt in Madrid as a sign of gratitude from the Egyptian government to the Spanish people for their participation in the campaign that was launched to save the monument of Nubia. Amazing. That is a fantastic history. Leaving the Temple de Debod, I was heading to the Palacio Real to see what it looks like in the morning. El Real Palacio, the Royal Palace of Madrid, which is the official residence of the King of Spain, is said to be as big as almost twice of the Buckingham Palace in the UK. It is also said to be the largest royal palace in Western Europe and one of the largest in the world. Amazing. Everything the Spanish royal family did was massive. Recently, I visited the Real Monastery in San Lorenzo de Escorial and it was insane. If you haven't seen that video, you can check it out on my playlist. The monastery was insane. So this palace was built by the order of another King Philip, just like another King Philip that ordered the construction of the Real Monasterio del Escorial. Kings with the name Philip, the whole seems to be obsessed with construction of massive buildings and monuments. But honestly, this palace is a wonder. Leaving the Palacio Real, I decided to head to the Plaza Mayor. Walking from the direction of the Royal Palace heading to Plaza Mayor, just before the entrance, to your right hand side is the Mercado de San Miguel. If you're visiting Madrid in the future, I highly recommend this mini market. It is amazing. Originally, this market was built in the year 1916 and both the interior and the exterior of this place is magic. There are a lot of food stands and bar in this market and I definitely had a very wonderful time. After having a very lovely breakfast at Mercado de San Miguel, I headed to Plaza Mayor to see what it looks like and it was amazing. It looks like the typical Plaza Mayor that you find in most Spanish cities like Segovia, Cordoba, in terms of color and structure, but this one is way more bigger. My trip to Madrid was a very pleasant one. I plan to visit soon again because I was unable to see most of the places that I love to see. After leaving Madrid, my next stop was Segovia, another Spanish city with interesting Roman history. Check on my playlist if you want to see the video of Segovia. So this is going to be the end of my video for today. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel and you're yet to subscribe, kindly click on the subscribe button below. Also remember to click on the notification bell so that you can get notified when I drop my next video. If you like this video or you find any useful information on this video, please give it a thumb up. Also remember to leave your opinion about this video in the comment section because what you think about this video means a lot. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Have a good day.